If you're looking for the best drawing tablet, you're in the right place. We've listed the top 5 drawing tablets of 2025, each with special features to help you create your best work. Whether it's great pressure sensitivity, easy-to-use designs, or clear displays, these tablets are perfect for artists of all skill levels. Let's take a look at the best options available. Number 5. XP-PEN Deco 03. The XP-PEN Deco 03 is our 5th pick, but it's still an excellent choice for digital artists and designers. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it offers precise control for detailed work. The large 10x 5.62-inch active area provides plenty of space, while the textured surface gives the right balance of smoothness and grip for a better drawing experience. The tablet also has a multi-function red dial and 6 customizable express keys, allowing you to quickly access your most used tools. It supports both wired and wireless connections, giving you flexibility in how you set it up. The battery-free stylus is responsive and comfortable, so you won't need to worry about charging it. Built with a solid and ergonomic design, the Deco 03 works well for both right and left-handed users. While the surface may show minor wear over time, the tablet remains durable and reliable. With its combination of features, portability, and ease of use, the Deco 03 is a great choice for creatives looking for a high-quality drawing tablet. Number 4. Frunsi T8. The Frunsi T8 is a versatile and portable standalone drawing tablet. It features an 8-inch IPS HD display with vibrant colors and a 1280 by 800 resolution, providing clear visuals for digital art. The tablet also has palm rejection technology, so you can draw directly on the screen without distractions. Running on Android 13 with a quad-core processor, the T8 works smoothly without needing a computer, making it perfect for creative work on the go. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 256 GB, there's plenty of room for apps and projects. The included stylus offers 1024 pressure levels for precise control, whether you're sketching or working on detailed designs. The T8's 4000 mAh battery lasts up to 5 hours of continuous use, and the adjustable stand adds comfort during long sessions. Certified with GMS, FCC, and CE standards, it ensures safety and reliability. Overall, the Frunsi T8 is a great choice for beginner to intermediate digital artists. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom Intuos Pro stands out for its exceptional drawing performance, offering a natural and precise experience. Its Pro Pen 2 delivers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking, making it ideal for detailed and expressive work. The tablet's surface mimics the feel of paper, enhancing control and comfort during long sessions. Its 8 customizable express keys and touch ring streamline workflows, while multi-touch gestures add versatility. Build quality is top-notch, with a durable yet sleek design that feels premium. The replaceable texture sheets allow customization of the drawing surface to suit personal preferences, extending its usability. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity ensures flexibility, though USB remains more reliable for intensive tasks. The tablet's compact form factor makes it portable without sacrificing an ample active area. Number 2. Huion Kamvas Pro 16. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its fully laminated 15.6-inch IPS display, delivering vibrant colors at 120% sRGB coverage and excellent accuracy, making it ideal for digital art. The anti-glare etched glass provides a natural, paper-like texture for drawing while minimizing parallax for precise pen-to-screen interaction. Its battery-free pen supports 8,192 pressure levels and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt, ensuring smooth, responsive strokes suitable for detailed work. Build quality is robust, featuring a sleek aluminum frame that feels premium and durable. The 6 programmable keys and touch bar enhance workflow efficiency, while the included adjustable stand offers ergonomic versatility. The display's full HD resolution is sharp enough for most creative tasks, and its wide viewing angles ensure consistent visuals. With a lightweight design and reliable performance, the Kamvas Pro 16 excels in providing a professional-grade drawing experience without unnecessary compromises, making it a compelling choice for digital artists. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. This is the best drawing tablet you can buy on the market. It offers a large 21.5-inch Full HD display with an anti-glare coating that creates a smooth, paper-like drawing experience. Its screen is laminated to reduce parallax, ensuring the pen tip aligns closely with your strokes, which is crucial for precise work. While the 1920 by 1080 resolution may lack the sharpness of higher-end models, it provides ample clarity for most creative tasks and benefits from wide viewing angles and vibrant color reproduction at 72% NTSC. The included Pro Pen 2 is a highlight, boasting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, ensuring exceptional responsiveness and natural drawing dynamics. Build quality is robust and professional, with an adjustable stand that allows for a wide range of working angles, 16 to 82 degrees, enhancing ergonomic comfort. The tablet connects via HDMI and USB-A using a streamlined cable system that minimizes desktop clutter. Its combination of solid hardware, intuitive pen performance, and thoughtful design makes it an ideal choice for both aspiring and professional creatives.